As you can see, this section of the backyard trails is almost destroyed. There's puddles everywhere because it's been raining and it still is, and we had snow a couple days ago. So we are gonna give it a dirt transplant and fill in these puddles and jumps with dirt so that it'll be smooth next time we ride. Time lapse time. To this double, the landing and the takeoff, but it's starting to rain again, so we're gonna head inside, and because if we keep on walking on it, it's going to destroy the rest of the trail. Like, there's puddles everywhere, so we're gonna come out tomorrow and we're gonna finish it, and if we get some footage of it, we'll make a part 2 of the dirt transplant. Thanks for watching. Bye.